Today we have the 2015 Skoda Fabia. This vehicle has done just under 59,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have our headlights. Moving on to the screen, we can access a radio to our left, as well as media, smartphone integration and TP. To the right we have our setup, sound, vehicle settings and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with Park Pilot. Just below we have our AC, and as we go to the back of the vehicle we can see that it has a black and grey cloth interior.